they basically start in the middle and work out. I'm going to look at this one here too, just for curiosity. I'll tell you one thing, we got strong hive of bees here. That nerve stuck at the bottom. They she laid eggs plumb over to the end. Gracious. See the queen cell. See, it looks sort of scattered, but the reason it's sort of scattered is because these bees is hatched out.
Go ahead.
I usually sometimes kind of rake them up low on the corner. But when you take it off again, you see where maybe you killed a bee or two. That's where it's avoiding it.